Hey, in this tutorial I'll show you the way to create realistic watercolor painting from portraits, landscape photos. After opening your photo, let's duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl J 2 times. Turn off top layers. In second layer, we'll blur it by going to Filter, Blur, Smart Blur. Radius 10, Threshold 30, Quality, Height, Mode, Normal, then Confirm. Move back to top layer and turn it on. Head to Filter, Filter Gallery. There are many filters in here. When you have time, try one by one filter to understand what the filter is. In this case, we'll use Glowing Edges filter in Style folder. Use the setting as follows: Edges width 1, Edge brightness 12, Smoothness 14. Remove all colors in this layer with Ctrl-Shift-U for Windows or Command-Shift-U for Mac. Then press Ctrl or Command I to reverse it from black to white. Change Multiply in blend mode. Now the photo looks like more painting. Let's reduce the opacity to 80%. Duplicate layer 1. Press Ctrl I to reverse this layer and change normal to color dodge in blend mode. Pick up brush tool, B shortcut. Choose small arrow over here, then click to the wheel icon and select Legacy Process. OK. Open Legacy folder, then Default folder. Scroll down until you find Dry Brush. Pick it up. Lower the opacity to 10%. Now, we're going to use this brush to paint over this layer. While painting, you can increase or decrease brush size with bracket shortcut on the keyboard. When you're satisfied, right-click on the document to open the brush window. We'll change to Auto Brush. Scroll down and open Wet Media folder. Choose Watercolor Texture Surface Brush. Increase the opacity to 50% and paint over the layer again to add watercolor texture to it. After finishing, add layer mask to top layer. Use eraser tool to remove or hide the dark lines, just like pencil lines in the document. Create vibrant adjustment layer. Increase to 100 to enhance colors. Create a new layer. Fill it with gray by pressing Ctrl or Command Delete. Make sure to set the background color to gray first. Change blend mode from normal to lightly burn. Head to Filter, Filter Gallery. Open Textures folder and choose Texturizer. You can choose any texture that you want: brick, burlap, canvas, or sandstone. Reduce the opacity to the point that you see fit. Alright, enjoy your new landscape painting. If you think this video is helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any guide video later on. See ya!